Recording already? How is that?
Hi! How come you won't give us your phone number, you jerk?
Yeah, or Skype.
Well,
I never knew. Wait, I knew you had Skype.
I have her on Skype now. I'll give it to you.
So we can talk.
Yeah.
Conference call.
That is so exciting.
There's that. Any soccer players? Well, I'm asking for like from me. We're gonna get blown away.
Oh, your flowers are dead.
Oh, my flowers died. Is that your room still smells like you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what else. Marcella is super perky today.
Yeah. Very, very funny though.
I don't think she could see that. It's very slow mo. Okay. Close up. I'm lazy to that part. I need to see the menu first.
Yeah. Give us your digits or else we'll cut off your digits.
Oh.
What? Is that what you found online?
No, I came up with that one myself.
Oh, okay.
Oh, let's that come back. Next train tomorrow.
You can see like right here.
Yeah.
Like here.
I'll move Ariel so
Ah!
she can see space.
Hey.
Yeah.
I'll kidnap you, okay? So come up with me.
When are you coming? Next weekend.
Yeah, next weekend.
Okay, who's that?
Yeah. We expect to see you.
We'll have watermelon here.
Lots of watermelon. Lots of watermelon. Maybe AM after too.
Wait, does this show up?
Yeah.
Awkward.
Okay.
Love you, Lynette.
Oh, someone's here.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Your replacement's here.
Okay, go away. We don't want to talk to you anymore.
Okay.
Oh, go ahead.
Bye.